Hello viewers, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this helicopter. This is an RC helicopter by World Tech Toys. It's called the Heli Command. It's got voice controlled controls. It's a 3.5 channel helicopter, and let's go ahead and unbox it and see what's inside, and let's take a brief look at the helicopter. I got this helicopter, by the way, off of Groupon. They had a deal going on, and it was $26 shipped, I believe. So it's a fairly good price for an RC helicopter. And what kind of intrigued me about this was the fact that it is voice control. So I've had similar helicopters before, 3.5 channel helicopters. So I just wanted to see how the voice commands work, and plus my girlfriend also wanted to learn how to fly. So I thought, this would be a perfect helicopter for her. So it's got a little manual, instructional manual in there. Looks pretty well thought out, pretty simple. Put that aside. So this is what it looks like inside. Let's go ahead and further open this up. The packing seems to be pretty sturdy. It looks like it's packed pretty reasonable. Okay, so here's the helicopter right here. It's got a nice metal body construction. As you can see, it looks extremely sturdy. Alright. Let's see what else is here. I think we've got some extra blades. The estimated delivery date on this helicopter from Groupon said that it would take about 2.5 weeks. However, I received this in maybe 3 days, so that was pretty good. I was really impressed by the quick delivery. Here you go. There's the remote. Here's the remote. It does look kind of small because I have a V911 that I usually fly, and this remote kind of looks very toy-like compared to the 911. But I'm sure it's sufficient enough. It's got the left and right trims, and I believe it works on 3 channels, A, B, and C. And then you have your on and off button right here. This is where the mic and the headphone set goes. Right. Let's see what else is in here. Got some more tape holding this together. I guess they packed it really well. Right, so this, I believe, is you've got some extra main blades and an extra rotor blade and your USB cable to charge the helicopter. This I really like. I like to have the USB cable. I've seen some helicopters, some micro helicopters, that just charge off of your remote control, and sometimes I just want to use my computer or a USB charger to charge the helicopter, and I really like the fact that this comes with this USB cable. This is the headset, I believe, that plugs into the remote control and for the voice commands. As far as the voice commands are concerned, I believe yeah, it has a list of voice commands that it can respond to, that the helicopter responds to on the manual. So I will definitely make a video when I do fly this and give you guys a review of this Voltec Micro 3.5 channel helicopter. And one more thing, this helicopter does have a built-in gyroscope as well, so I'm pretty sure it'll be extremely stable to fly. So when I do make a review video, I will stay tuned actually for my review video. I'm going to go ahead and charge this helicopter now and go from there and see how it runs. Thank you.